Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this time I want to presentation about my research, and my name Tricici Wijayanti, and I'm with Pak Suharis. The title of the research is Influence of Interpersonal Communication and Teamwork in Organization to Enhance Employee Performance in PTX. This is a case study. Okay. Background, that is performance appraisal has been implemented in PTX. In this application, this company used the key performance indicator for Mina and Dharma, Swasta and Judy 2081. There are several aspects in measuring employee performance as follow, and this is my research. I follow two Dharma, Swasta, and Judy, and timeline is rated suitable on the completion time with the plan time. Teamwork become recently in initiative was success. Teamwork will be a driving force that has energy and synergy for individuals who are member of a teamwork. Petier state that the corporation is the synergy of the strengths of several people in achieving and desired goal. Corporation will enter the power of ideas that build the success. And then team have a skill assembly update new group and dispense quality. For example, approximately company currently have that more of the employing as team 60% of small manufacturer in the United States also use teamwork in their various production and strategy. And then according to Hayes, the theory team information must go through for state, and then based on explanation of teamwork from various theory above, it can also be concluded that the teamwork of employee that the organization very important. Low teamwork is one the thing that cause of someone to easily ignore work, such as trusting each other and supporting like the knowledge or skill. And based on the result of interview with the leader on January, and this is a problem in the decrease in productivity of employee performance. Based on Bouchard, is known the important two-way communication is building employee teamwork. This is in line with the opinion of my chair. Ending interpersonal communication is the very recipe of Mrs. The development of good interpersonal communication will make the organization climate very comfortable. And then, based on the description above, the study aims to affect the interpersonal communication on employee teamwork and improving the performance of PTX. The study aimed to determine analysis the influence interpersonal communication and teamwork to improve the performance of employee. And the first, theoretically, research and can contribute information and evidence about improving teamwork through interpersonal communication training. The second, if it proven that the interpersonal communication training and can improve employee teamwork. This is training can be used the alternative for the company is improving employee performance. Practically, if the proven the interpersonal communication and training and teamwork can increase performance. And this is about based on research knowledge, research teamwork, healthcare authored by any purpose researcher. This group by Chen, and then Borgatti. The result of the study explained that interpersonal communication is able to have a positive impact on student in learning by collaborating with teacher. The result of the research is that there is very significant positive relation between interpersonal communication. And then academic benefit, we can expect it to be useful in enriching the realm of management, especially human resource management, and the behavior of related institutions, interpersonal communication, and teamwork to improve employee performance. Where practically speaking, research is expected to profit benefit for improving the performance of employees of PTX so that it can be used as an intervention effort to achieve the state goal. And Freckman and Remerton and Hurricane state that organizational performance is an sign that indicate organization capability to accept the independent. And then previous research conducted by Veronica Swasta and Judy said that employee performance related to incentive that the company provide to its employee. And then section state the individual performance can increase if this the component are met and performance will decrease is when this component is not complete. For example, employee in the production department have the ability to do this job and have the desire to work hard, but the organization provide equipment with old technology or superficial management style that cause negative reaction. Lack of support from the organization can reduce the performance of individual as part of the organization. And then as a component of interpersonal communication, this is a diverse source and encoding message channel, uh, recipient, the recording, noise, and then communication content. Objective of interpersonal communication, uh, is from Muhammad state the interpersonal has several objects Like we can finding yourself, discovering of outside for forming and maintaining meaningful relationship, changing attitude and behavior for play and fun. And then to have to. And this is from Davito. Suggests left aspect of effective interpersonal communication, including aspect of openness, empathy, support, positive attitude, and quality. The first aspect is openness. And then uh, the operation definition of research is limitation of the variable. They are concretely related to reality and then manifesting if things that we observe. The operational definition of research is follow dependent variable performance and independent variable interpersonal communication and teamwork. And then the data collection method required the study have several instruments and so on. The interpersonal communication skill is complete by the researcher based on the several aspects. Interpersonal communication, namely creating a sense of operation, empathy, positive attitude, support attitude, and equally among employee. The result and the analysis by regression, the statistic is SPSS and the by regression, and then data analysis, uh, member of subject is under 30 people are data processing in the study by regression and SPSS. The result of the study that interpersonal communication has a positive effect on performance, while teamwork has no effect on performance. And then this is line with the result research conducted by research, where the profession and interpersonal communication training has showed that the employee teamwork is increasing aspect of interpersonal communication such as openness, empathy, positive and mutuality, support attitude, and building quality have implication for individual behavior and the communication process is interacting with other individual of the organization. This will create social support so that individuals feel more comfortable with fellow team member. So that cooperation with this team member is higher. This is also in line with Harjana, which explained that comfortable organization climate became a reference and guideline for decision making. To carry out tasks effectively and build determination and teamwork in addition. A comfortable climate make employee motivation, pushing organizational opportunities with enthusiasm, helping fellow employee completing tasks creatively and full of idea for renewal and improving employee performance in the team. The flow of behavior change that occur in the study begins by providing material about interpersonal communication. Through interpersonal communication like this make individual feel more comfortable. with fellow the member. Uh, this is a conclusion. Interpersonal communication need to be owned by employee. This is a program that need to be prepared with the aim of handling and skill and the personal communication so that someone has social and behavioral skills which will ultimately influence employee behavior to improve the way the communication with their catalog through interpersonal communication like this make individual feel more comfortable with fellow the members so that teamwork for the organization become higher. And the second, this study does not affect teamwork and performance. In this case, because the nature of work operational required that the independent task and is not related to teamwork. I think uh, my suggestion may be need to uh, research again to know about uh, the good performance and beside teamwork and communication uh, we we can give good organization. I think. Thank you for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.